Oh no. Oh no, what are you doing over there, buddy? No, not today. Not today, puppy. Not today. Where you at? There you are. Sorry. Sorry. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. There's one more of you, isn't there? There's one of you. There's one of you. And there's one of me. There's one of you. Oh no, not anymore. Not anymore. What the flip is up, everybody? Today, we are about to end the first week of February 2026. And you know what we do here? Every Wednesday, we drop a new video with the best clips that we got for the last week of the last month. But as you all know, before we start a video today, we interrupt this with our favorite game of every video. Of course, the rules are super simple. If I flip the coin and you get your answer right, then you do not have to give us a like. But if you get it wrong, then you got to drop us a like on the video, you guys. It helps us out a lot. We do appreciate it.
Wow.
Let's flip this coin. Let's see what we get. Now, if you get heads, it looks like we got heads. So if you guys got heads, you're good to go. You do not have to give us a like. But if you did not get heads, I'm sorry, you guys. I do not make the rules. But we do appreciate it. It does help us out with the video if you do drop us a like on this. Enough yapping. Let's get started with the video.
Enemy contact.
Losing Charlie.
You suck! Target's in sight.
objective.